Okay, so dear student, before watching this video, please go through the previous link video, that is your lecture 5.1, lecture 5.2. In the 5.1, it is clearly explained about the 5.1 lecture 5.1 link will be clearly explain the definition of the tree terminology, child, parent nodes, subtree, root, leaf nodes, internal node, height of the tree, how to calculate depth, and how to calculate the level of tree. According to your syllabus, it's completely cover all these things. And in the lecture 5.2, you also see it show the binary tree. 5.2 lecture show the binary trees, definition of the different type of binary trees, types and its properties. So these two videos completely cover your syllabus, so go from these videos and after that watch this. So in this video what happened, we do some small problem with related to this, so that we have to clearly understood and practice it. Okay, so start fast. Okay, this is a tree. Binary tree is given. As you know that tree is a collection of the nodes, finite number of nodes, and represented in the hierarchy manner. And what is binary tree? As you know that binary tree contain at most 2 children. That means it contain at most 2 children. And that means it contain either 0 children, 1 children, or 2 children. It is a tree where each node can have at most 2 children. So suppose this binary tree is given and the question is asked to find out, suppose so calculate what is the level of A, level of C, level of F and level of G. As you know that in the previous lecture, that what is the level is the distance from the root to that node. Okay, it's the distance from root to that node. Calculate what is the level of the A, that is means level of the root. This is your root of the tree and these are some leaf node of the tree. So the level is always start 0, root is at the 0, then next level is 1, next level is the 2 and next is your 3. Okay, so what is the level of A, that is level of root, that is what, 0. Then level of C, here C is the 1. Okay, level of F, see here F node is the leaf node, so level is here 3. What is the level of G? Level of G is here, that is 2. If we calculate what is the level of tree, so in this way we have to calculate. You already know how to calculate the level. Next suppose calculate the height. So what is the height? As you know that height is the longest path the longest path from the node to the leaf node, or the deepest from the leaf node. That is the simple, that the content number of edges, or you have to calculate what the maximum or the longest path from that node to the leaf node, from the node to the leaf node. Okay, height is your longest path from the road, from that particular node to the leaf node. So if you calculate the height of here, suppose what is height of the B, what is height of the B. So how to calculate here height? 1 and 2. This is one path is there, so longest path is 2, so height is B of the 2. Then what is height of the D? Here DC, what is the height here? Height is 1, the longest path from that node to the leaf node. Then what is the height of G? G is 1 here, see G to the leaf node 1. What is the height of A? C, what is height of the root or A? Calculate the longest path. This is one path, 1, 2, 3. This is also one path, 1, 2. Here is the leaf node. And this is 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. We have to see all the path, which is the longest path length or number of edges from the root to the leaf node. The longest path is 3. So height of the root is 3. Then what is the height of the tree? Height of the tree is also the longest path from the root to the leaf node. So here also the height of the tree is what? 3. Okay, this is very simple to calculate what is the height of any node or height of the tree. Then suppose calculate what is the depth of a node. What is the depth of the node? Depth of the node is the number of edges from root to that node. Okay, root to that node, or the length or path from the root to that node. Suppose here calculate what is the depth of A. A is itself a root, so that what is the depth? Depth here is 0. Okay, then what is the depth of B? B here and root here, the path or number of edges is 1, so depth of B equal to 1. What is the depth of G? G you have to see the number of edges from root to that node, or the length or path from root to that node. So two edges are there. So here is what? 2. So this is the way to calculate your height, level and depth. You already know that. I am only show how to calculate this. Then see how to calculate the maximum number of nodes at a particular level. Suppose at the 0th level. Okay, in the 0th level, how many node is possible? Only one node is possible. Okay, suppose at the 1th level. Suppose at the level 1. That means this is 0, this is 1. Okay, how many node is there? Here 1, 2, 3 node are there. Okay, so at the 0th level, one node is there, and in the 1th level, okay, at the 1th level, sorry, how many node are there? Only 2 node are there or not? So at the 2nd level, see, this is your 0th level, this is 1th level and 2th level. So this 2th level, how many node are possible? 4 node are possible. Similarly, if you extend this, how many node? 2 to 4, 6, 8. So total, how many node are possible? At the 3rd level, you have to see 8 node are possible. Okay, if you generalize this, see here, can I write 2 to the power 0? This is 2 to the power 1, this is 2 to the power 2, and this is 2 to the power 3. That means at a particular level, if you find how many number of node are possible, maximum number of node possible, that is you have to find 2 to power that level. Similarly, if I write maximum number of nodes at level I, what is the formula? That is 2 to the power I. Okay, maximum number of nodes at level I equal to 2 to the power I. Similarly, if you calculate maximum number of nodes at height h, okay, calculate, suppose at the height 0, how many node is there? 1 node. At height 1, how many node are there? This is a tree. Maximum number of node, how many node are there at height 1? That is at height 1, here also it 2. Okay, at height 2, how many number of leaf nodes or external nodes are there? This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, 4. Okay, if you extend this similarly, if you represent this, that is 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, that is 2 to the power 3. Okay, so if you calculate the maximum number of, that is your leaf node, or you have to say the external nodes at height h, or if you say that the maximum number of leaf nodes, maximum number of leaf nodes at level, okay, maximum number at level, no, at height h, you have to find what? 2 to the power h. That is your formula. Maximum number of leaf nodes at height h equal to 2 to the power h. Okay, if you calculate maximum number of nodes, means you have to calculate total number of nodes present in the particular height. If you calculate, then what? You have to add this all the height. Okay, add all the height. At level 0, it is 2 to the power 0. At level 1, it is 2 to the power 1. At level 2, 2 to the power 2. If you add this up to 2 to the power h, this is a GP series. This is a GP series. If you add this, and if you put the formula, that is 1 h plus 1 minus 2 to the power h plus 1, or 1 minus 2, or it is give, if you solve this, you have to find 2 to the power h plus 1 minus 1. Okay, this is your maximum number of nodes at a particular height. Okay, this formula. Okay, maximum number of nodes at height h, that is 2 to the power h plus 1 minus 1. These all are for binary tree. Okay, clear? These all are for binary tree, means at most 2 children. Similarly, if how to calculate height if the number of nodes are given. Okay, how to calculate height if your n equal to 2 to the power h plus 1 minus 1. If you find the height, what is the height if the number of nodes are given, then the formula is your, see here, n equal to 2 to the power h plus 1 minus 1. I am putting log both side, that is your log 2n 2 to the power h plus 1 minus 1. Then I am putting what? 2 to the power h plus 1 Okay, putting log both side, then it take what, log 2 to the power h plus 1, that is your log 2 n plus 1, then taking the, that is h plus 1, that is log 2 2, that is log 2 n plus 1, then you have to calculate, this is your 1, then h equal to what, log 2 n plus 1 minus 1. So that is the formula. If your number of node given, we have to calculate what is the height. Okay, if number of node given, we have to calculate the height, that is your maximum number of nodes. Okay, for this maximum number of nodes you have to calculate maximum number of to calculate the minimum height. Okay, then what is another formula also there for minimum number of nodes? What is the height? What is the height for minimum number of nodes? Height is equal to n plus 1, h equal to n plus 1. For minimum number of nodes, the height you have to calculate, h is equal to n plus 1. Okay, then for minimum number of nodes we have to calculate what, n is equal to h plus 1. Similarly, h equal to n minus 1, h equal to n minus 1, n equal to h plus 1, and your height equal to what, n minus 1. This is your formula. Okay, so h equal to n minus 1, this is your maximum height. Okay, then in the next video we have to discuss how to represent a binary tree using the linked list representation and using a sequential representation.